before we move, since we're talking about growth, the training and developmental plans before
Mm.
are stringent and are really, really good. We had
Really
the
good?
best, yes, we had the we had the best developmental plans and training for our people before compared to what we have now. The reason behind that is because um, the the roles are really definitive. Um, the career path was just really agent, SME, TL, STL, assistant manager, operation, ganun yan, linear siya. Right? So in short, ang aming training plan and developmental plans are just really set towards that path. And we are able to master how to create the developmental plan towards that linear career path. Right? And we another reason why I could say that the training plan and developmental plans before was exponentially better than what we have now is because we had the best people who knew what they're doing in the industry, and they're the ones who mentored us before. And we do not just consider their scorecard to train people.